At
was
parang ang
checking if the
sagwa ng
board was
kwarto ni
reborn.
Sunjin, what the fuck?
Ang sagwa. Tanginang
Ano
yan.
masagwa? Ano? Say it right, please.
Kwarto mo.
Ano ngayon?
Sagwa.
Kwarto mo ba yan?
Ha? Hindi, kung wala akong bag sa kwarto mo.
Oo, tinan mo, nangangal ka lang gamit.
Ano naman, potek na yan. Sarap lagyan ng net yung kwarto eh.
May padlock dun sa ano. Sa story.
Ay, wag lang.
May padlock ka, wala naman susi.
Meron. It's 2-in-1. I just don't remember how to apply it anymore.
Titis matitis.
My car, it was fun driving. We were fast. We were fast.
Wait, nasaan ka na?
Bro, just ride this car. Okay.
No. I need to find the car ka.
Yun nga. We're gonna take this car.
Ewan na pala susi to. Sayang.
I was gonna start packing. Let's go. Oh, we need brake.
Eh.
What are you guys doing?
Ray, tulungan mo naman ako maghanap ng bag.
Lang.
We can't
Why?
actually.
Babies. Wait lang. Chill.
Ayun.
Yan!
Walang ganang mag-cure kayo.
Check na ba natin yung parking lot na courses? Hindi ko nasa kanto.
Okay.
Gusto mo guys? Punta tayo dun sa Survivor House. Let's see what we can get.
Nasaan ba yung Survivor House, bro?
Uy, ba't ka sumabra? May parking lot ba dito? Iyon! Kakagras ang pagkakas. God.
Napuform back ako dito. Ako'y tinawag. Yung kumuha, yung humawak akin.
Sabay hinawakan ka, no? Oh, no!
Pag kinuha mo akin ka. Gago.
Uy, may van. Let's get
Ay,
it.
inay.
Sana may ano.
You can check the glove box first, you know?
God,
Before
no!
after.
It's locked! It's locked!
Wait, I have a crowbar.
Why?
Alright, can you?
Where are you?
Yo.
Dito po.
Okay, you grab
You watch my back.
Okay, parang.
Cheer back. Grabe kayo sa nag-curious.
I'm watching your back.
Okay na.
Different kind of watch.
I will be